Hi, this is Mrs. Rondeau. We're going to look at step 2 in Properties Are Us. And so here we go, step 2. These 8 sections represent 8 different property lots that will be for sale. Number the properties according to the directions in the video here. This is the video. So here we go. We're going to number the properties. So flipping over to the slide with the map, we have 8 different sections that we're going to number. So I'm going to come up to my text box. I'm going to click on that. And let's grab this to make it a little bit more clear. Text box. Click on text box, and I'm going to draw a text box right here. Fantastic. And I'm going to put in the number 1. Now, there's lots of ways you could do this. So you could select your text box, and then you can hit Control D, and it will give you another one. And you can move that like so to the next spot. Or you could draw a new text box, which I will show you how to do that in a second. Or you can do Control Copy or Control C to copy and paste. But anyways, this one's going to be number 2. And I'm going to do Control D, and I'm going to bring that over here to this one. This one's going to be number 3. And this one is going to be number 4. That one I'm going to be fancy and change the direction of my alignment so that it's more in the light corner, kind of, sort of. There we go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to make these a little bit prettier just because it's a video version. But you do not have to make them as pretty as this. Just get them in those corners. All right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to continue numbering. So I'm going to do a text box again, and I'm going to draw my text box. Great. And this is going to be 5. And then Control D gives me that text box again. This is going to be 6. Control D. That's going to be 7. Isn't this exciting? And then Control B. And that's going to be my 8. And again, I'm going to be fancy on this one and put in 8, and then I'm going to change the alignment. You can just move it over or don't worry about it. Where the 8 is right now is perfectly fine. I'm just being particular. There we go. Something like that. So when you're done, you should have all of these little sections numbered off like that. And that's how you need to number your sections.